Good morning, children. Saira. Welcome back again in the computer class. I hope you all are safe at your places. Children, today we will start the practical portion of our syllabus. Till now, we have done all three theoretical chapters of our syllabus. Today, we are going to start chapter number 6, Open Office Tool. In that, children, we will learn to work with the different types of software in this. Okay, now children, before starting this chapter, I want to tell you that if you have the computer system in your home, you can download the OpenOffice tools software in your computer system. Otherwise, if you don't have, it's okay, you can download the OpenOffice application in your mobile phone also. So now I am telling you how to download the OpenOffice application in your mobile phone. Just go to the Play Store and there type OpenOffice Writer. In that, there will be the option you download this one. As you can see, there are here I am having the open option because I have this application in my mobile phone. You will have the install option. You click on that install option and you can easily able to install this application in your mobile phone. Now children, let's start working with this application. Children, when you will open this OpenOffice tool software, you will have this interface. In this, we are having these software. This OpenOffice tool is, children, same as Microsoft Office. In that, we are having Word, Microsoft Word. In it, we are having text document. In that, we are having Excel. In this, we are having spreadsheet. In that, we are having Microsoft PowerPoint presentation. In this, we are having presentation. Same as that, we are in the MS, we are having Paint. In this, we are having drawing. We are having Microsoft Access. In this, we are having formula. Okay. Now children, today we will start with the OpenOffice Writer. So we will start with text document today. Before starting the text document, children, now first I will tell you what is the role of text document. Word processor. Word processor means, children, a word processor is a package that help us to enter text and apply the formatting features in the text document. Children, what we can do, we can easily create a document, we can format a document, we can edit a document. For this, we are using text document, and first we will start with only the text document. Okay, so there are many examples of word processing: Microsoft Word, Corel, Word Perfect, Easy Word, and the OpenOffice Write, which we will learn. It allows us to create and manipulate the document containing mostly text and sometimes graphics. It can be used to produce documents such as letter, reports, fax cover, sheets, mailing labels, letters, and web pages. Now, what are the features of what are the features of word processor? First one, fast typing speed. Yes, with the help of word processor application, we can easily and quickly type our text document. Second one, the formatting feature. It allows us to format our text. Yes, we can change the font style. We can change the styling into bold, italic, underlined. Yes, we can change the color. We can change the font size. Yes or no? Next one, editing feature. Editing feature, in it we can apply editing feature to our document, like we can insert text, delete text, insert object. Yes, we can insert the table also. The soft copy output on the monitor can be modified according to the output we want. Okay, next one is spell check and grammar check. Spell check and grammar check, in that word processor we can check the spellings or we can check the grammars also. Next one is drawing auto shape and inserting pictures. Word processor allow to insert picture into the document, and we can also insert auto shape from the drawing tool bar for creating creative document. Mail merge. Mail merge is that option which help us to mail same mail to the different number of people. Next and last one is object linking and embedding. That object linking and embedding feature provides us an ability in that we can link or embed any object in our document available in the OLE. This we will learn later in this chapter only. Okay, so children, these are some features of word processing application, and in our chapter we will learn which word processing application. We will learn text document. So now we will go to that application and we will learn how to use that application. Click on the text document. Yes, this blank page we are having, and this is the empty page in which we can create our text document. Now children, by clicking on this keyboard sign, we can type anything on this blank page. For example, computer. Okay, now as you can see that this text size is very small, so we can change the text size also by clicking on the formatting option, and here is font size. We can change the font size. Now I will type again. Now the font size is larger. Yes, by this way we can create our text document. Now in this children, first we will learn how to create a text document, and then we will learn how to save that document. First, I will change the font size. Okay, then I will click on this keyboard side. I will type something. Okay, now I have this text document. Now I want to save this. For that we have to go to the standard option. In that we are having this save option, and in it I will give the name as new page. Okay, and I will give this name. Now I will click on this page and I will have a new empty file. Okay, now I want to open my page which I have just saved. For that we have to go to this folder sign. We will click on the local drive. We will type here name, new page. Here we have our page. Yes, you all will download this OpenOffice tool in your computer or in the mobile phone. You will start working with this OpenOffice writer. We will learn new features in the next class. Till then, you start working with this application. You complete the question answers of chapter number 3 in your notebook. Take care of yourself, children. Thank you. Sai Ram.